Good day everyone, I am Roxane Miranda from BSE 2B Mathematics, and in this video I will answer the following identification and discuss the numbers theory. If you're not familiar with the numbers theory is a branch of pure mathematics devoted to study of natural numbers and the integers. It is the study of the set of positive whole numbers, which are usually called the set of natural numbers. Blank numbers are divisible by 2. The answer is even. A whole number that can be divided by 2 into two equal whole numbers, the numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8 are the examples of even numbers. Number 2. Blank numbers are counting numbers from 1 to infinity. The answer is natural. Natural numbers are a part of the number system which include all the positive integers from 1 to infinity and are also used for counting. In other words, we consider natural numbers as a set of whole numbers including the zero. Next is blank numbers have only two factors, 1 and itself. The answer is prime. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that is not a product of two smaller natural numbers. For example, 5 is prime because the only way of writing it as a product is 1 times 5 or 5 times 1. For blank number is the product of a number multiplied by itself. The answer is square. A square is number of perfect square. A square number or perfect square is an integer that is the square of an integer. In other words, it is the product of some integer with itself. For example, 9 is a square number since it's equal to 3 squared and it can be written as 3 times 3. A blank is a number which can divide another number without leaving a remainder. The answer is factor. A factor is a number that divides the given number without any remainder. The factor of a number can either be positive or negative. For example, 3 and 6 are factors of 12 because 12 divided 3 is equal to 4 exactly and 12 divided 6 is equal to 2 exactly. The other factors of 12 are 1, 2, 4, and 12. Next, blank numbers consist of the number 0 and all the counting numbers. The answer is whole. A whole number is simply any positive number that does not include a fractional or decimal part. This means that, for example, the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are all whole numbers. Numbers such as negative 3, 2.7, or 3 and 1/2 are not whole numbers. Next, blocks consist of the negative and positive whole numbers. The answer is integers. An integer is a number with no decimal or fractional part from the set of negative and positive numbers, including 0. Examples of integers are negative 5, 0, 1, 5. Next is blank numbers are not divisible by 2. The answer is odd. Odd numbers are whole numbers that cannot be divided exactly into two pairs. Odd numbers, when divided by 2, leave remainder of 1. Examples are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. A blank number has 3 or more factors. The answer is composite. Composite numbers can be defined as the whole numbers that have more than 2 factors. Whole numbers that are not prime are composite because they are divisible by more than 2 numbers. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10 are the first few composite numbers. In other words, composite numbers have factors other than 1 and itself. Next, a blank number is the product of a number multiplied by itself twice. The answer is cube. A cube number is when you multiply a whole number by itself and then by itself again. The result is a cube number. For example, 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.